Hi everybody, Jean here with more Mars anomalies. Hope you're all having a great day. Oddities in Reull Vallis on Mars. We'll be having a look at some spheres that are discovered in this valley near Argaea Planitia. These are spheres that were found in Easter Island, in what they call the navel of the world. And they've been arranged in a geometric pattern around this larger sphere. Also found in Costa Rica, ranging from a few centimeters in diameter to several meters in diameter. Also found in Bosnia, all over the world actually. And also on Mars. We'll be analyzing this high-rise photograph called Lobate Debris Apron. I'll include the link to this page below. HiRise acquired this on the 7th of July 2013 at a resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel. We'll be checking out images are cropped from the JP2B and white map projected file, as well as the merged RGB non-map projected file. This is a crop from the low-res JPEG, and we'll be checking out the anomalies scattered around what looks like a very old eroded pyramid with 3 sides. And the RGB color strip, there's a crop from the low res there. So located 40.7 degrees south, 103 degrees east in this region near Argaea Planitia. And you can check out the topography here. So the first anomaly we're checking out, rather strange, a sort of rectangular object with a little carved out area on the one side, and in the middle of the one side as well we've got this little dark spot. That object is about 15 meters across. So a close-up reveals this one side that seems to be carved out, almost like a little hole on this side. You see straight edges as well as 90-degree angles as well. And there in the center, this area seems to be hollowed out slightly. These 2 smaller parts in the center over there. It's almost like a little sphere or 2 lying next to one another over there. In this strange oddball, pardon the pun, about 5 meters in diameter. Take a close-up view. You can see this perfect ball or sphere, very smooth surface, lying there in the middle of nowhere. And there's the same sphere from the JP2 black and white. And we'll be checking out this one over here as well to the right, which is also about 5 meters in diameter, lying on that rectangular sort of block. It looks almost as if it could be a convex shape as well, partially buried on this one side and then elevated on the right. Rather strange edge to it as well. It looks almost like it was molded. And right there in the center we've got this perfect sphere or ball. So 2 of these found in this one photograph, rather weird. So they look very similar to those found on Earth. Similar culture perhaps, who knows, in the past that made these. And then we'll be checking out some other oddities over there. And rather strange surface features. These darker, looks like painted areas on this. This one goes right through the center of this rectangular piece. And then next to it we've got another oddball part, a little sphere or dome there, strange protrusion. And then this piece to the right, we've got that little V-shaped carved into the one side as well. It's almost like a little structure perhaps, or a ruin. Enter the black and white anomalies. Check out this chevron-shaped object there in the center. Measures about 15 to 20 meters across, and close-up reveals this perfect edge to it over there, sort of carved into the one side. Very similar to two more blocks I found nearby in Argaia Planitia. These two seem to have fitted together like Lego pieces, with that gap over there of about 2 to 3 meters. So these are also huge. Just another example of plenty of other chevron shapes are found in the southern hemisphere on Mars. Here we've got what looks like a little entranceway perhaps. This object over here is about 20 meters across, and a close-up reveals what looks like a rectangular piece carved into the one side, almost like a little canopy or overhang, maybe like an archway. Another strange area over here. Got two rather strange, very diverse objects. First one got two smooth surfaces. This piece is about 10 by 10 meters, and you can see it's got a rectangular shape to it as well, with right angles over there, and then this rounded part to it over here, which looks rather artificial. And then this disc-shaped object, about 12 meters in diameter, partially buried on the one side. Check out the rounded side over here. And then on top, what looks like a narrow rectangular piece with two sides to it, almost like a type of a vent maybe, who knows what that is. And then this one over here, another disc-shaped object, about 12 meters in diameter. Check out the perfect rounded side to it there, and it looks sort of dome-shaped as well, convex in nature. Another one of these blocks, very smooth side to it, about 12 meters across. Check out the smooth surface, and it looks as if it's been shaped into this object artificially. And then also over here we've got two rather strange blocks next to one another. Each one's about 10 by 10 meters as well. And got a rounded side to this one block, the protrusion in the center, and then this block next to it, got rounded corners to it as well, and a strange knob or protrusion on the one side as well. Maybe this is a megalithic ruin. Another one of these blocks, this one's also huge, about 12 by 12 meters, and a close-up reveals a strange protrusion in the center. There's a rounded side over here. So let's check out the terrain in Google Earth Mars. Down to the southern hemisphere. And these are some of the anomalies we had to look at. Let's check out some of the other anomalies I found in this region. Got that strange symmetrical pyramidal shape, about 180 meters across or long. So some megalithic objects over there. Lots of these blocks with holes in them and knobs. seem to fit together like Lego pieces there. Some more ruins perhaps there. Check out all those blocks. Strange anomalies. Check out that one. Megaliths. I don't know what else to call them. Call the protrusions on those blocks. There's a square object there with a little triangle on top. Okay, let's have a look at one or two more. Looks like the top of a mining machine. Some wreckage perhaps there. So let's check out the topography of this region in the CTX mosaic. Go for a low angle view. This looks almost like the top of a eroded pyramid, and also quite strange to find these spheres. In the immediate vicinity. So I speculate there were at least 3 or 4 ancient civilizations on Mars maybe in the past. From all the structures and ruins and blocks that we found, looks very much like the ancient builder race not only built these on Earth but also on Mars. And of course Mars was devastated in the past, multiple catastrophes, and scattered and ruined all these structures, and we're seeing what's left of ancient civilizations potentially. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting. I'll be back with more. See you soon. Bye bye for now.